have this particular expression here. Now, how can we solve this equation? Well, let's try some approaches. So, if we solve this equation from the left, let's see what do we get. So, 6 into 6 will be 36. So, this will be equal to 36 plus 12 divided by 3, which can be written as 36 plus 12 will be how much? It will be 48 divided by 3. Now, this will be equal to 16. So, when we solve this equation from left to right, we get 16. Now, what if we solve it from right to left? Then what do we get first? 12 divided by 3. So, this can be written as 6 into 6 plus 12 divided by 3, which is 4. Now, 6 plus 4 is 10. So, 6 into 10, or we get 60. So, for the same expression, we get two different answers. But in maths, we cannot have two different answers for the same expression. So, how do we solve this particular equation, and which is the right approach? Well, the right approach has to be a fixed rule. So, for such questions, we actually have a fixed rule and we have to follow that rule, and only then we can solve such expressions. So, what is that particular rule? Let's see. So, that particular rule is called BODMAS. So, as you can see, BODMAS. B stands for brackets, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Now, this is the order in which we can solve the expression which we discussed about. So, first of all, anything within the brackets will be solved first, then off, followed by division, multiplication, addition, and at last subtraction. Now, using this rule, let's try to solve the expression which we had seen earlier. So, what is the expression? It is 6 into 6 plus 12 divided by 3. So, in this, what is the first operation which we will consider? Now, according to BODMAS, first is brackets. We don't have any brackets here. Then off. We don't have any off either. Then we have division. So, we have division here. So, this is the first operation we will consider. So, this can be written as 6 into 6 plus 12 divided by 3, which is 4. Now, in this expression, what do we have? We have a multiplication and we have an addition. Now, in this order, we know that multiplication comes before addition. So, first of all, multiplication will be carried out. So, 6 into 6. So, this will be 36 plus 4. Now, we can simply go for addition. So, 36 plus 4 will be 40. And this is the answer to this particular expression. And so, we always follow the BODMAS rule for solving such expressions. Now, let's also notice that if we talk about brackets, brackets are of many different types, and even those have an order in which we need to solve. So, if we talk about brackets, we have line brackets, common brackets, curly brackets, and square brackets. So, in this, line brackets get the first preference followed by common brackets, then we solve for curly brackets, and finally we solve for square brackets. So if we have such an expression here, so how do we solve it? We have the BODMAS rule. So B stands for brackets. So do we have brackets here? We do have brackets. So this is the first part which we are going to simplify. So 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17, right? So 17 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 7 into 2. Now in this expression, which will come first? We know that after brackets and off, division is the first operation which we consider. So 6 divided by 3 will be considered first. So we'll write 17 plus 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Minus 7 into 2. Now we have multiplication, subtraction and addition. So which comes first? According to BODMAS, multiplication comes first, followed by addition and then subtraction. So multiplication, this part will be considered first. So 7 into 2 is 14. So 17 plus 2 minus 14. Now which operation will be handled first? Well, addition then subtraction. So first of all addition, that is 17 plus 2, that is 19 minus 14, which is equal to 5. So when we solve this particular expression, we get the answer as 5. And how did we solve it? By following the BODMAS rule. So now can you solve this particular expression? If you solve this particular expression using BODMAS, what will be the final answer? Well, first of all we'll consider the brackets. So 2 plus 7, that is 9 minus 9 divided by 3. Now we have two operations, division and subtraction. In BODMAS, division comes before subtraction. So we'll first of all solve this. 9 divided by 3. So this will be 9 minus 9 divided by 3 is 3. So now we have 9 minus 3, which is 6. So 6 is the answer for this expression. Now we have this particular expression here. Now here we have the curly brackets. Within the curly brackets we have 4 plus within common brackets 2 plus 6 divided by 4 minus 1. Then the curly brackets close and then we have plus 8 minus 2. Now how do we solve this particular expression? With the help of BODMAS rule. So what does the BODMAS rule state? Brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. And if we have more than one type of brackets, then line brackets come first, followed by common brackets, then curly brackets and then square brackets. So here we have curly brackets and common brackets, and common brackets come first, followed by curly brackets. So first of all we'll solve this part which is inside the common brackets. So the curly brackets will come down as it is. 4 plus, we'll solve for common brackets. So 2 plus 6 is 8 divided by 4 minus 1 and then curly brackets close. Then we have plus 8 minus 2. Now once we are done with common brackets, we only have curly brackets. So we'll first of all solve within the curly brackets. Now within the curly brackets, we have three types of operations. We have division, we have subtraction, and we have addition. Now we know that division comes first, followed by addition and then subtraction. So first of all, we'll solve for division. So this can be written as curly brackets 4 plus 8 divided by 4, which is 2 minus 1 brackets close plus 8 minus 2. Now we have within the brackets, we still have this expression. So we have addition and subtraction. Now addition comes first in BODMAS. So we'll first of all perform 4 plus 2. So this will be 6 minus 1 plus 8 minus 2. Now 6 minus 1 is 5. So now we have finally simplified everything under the curly brackets. So now they can go away. 6 minus 1 will be 5 plus 8 minus 2. Now addition will come first before subtraction according to BODMAS. So 8 plus 5, that is 13 minus 2, which is equal to 11. So the final answer is 11. So how did we solve this particular expression? With the help of the BODMAS rule. And in the BODMAS rule, we also saw that we have a special order for brackets too. So whenever you get such an expression, you will have to first of all solve for brackets according to this particular order. And once you have solved for brackets, then you can solve for other operations.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.